study in class 2. I want to be astronaut. मैं रॉकेट पे बैठकर बहुत तेजी से उड़ाकर चांद पर जाऊंगा और पाकिस्तान का झंडा लहराऊंगा.
The purpose of education is freedom. The freedom to make choices, the freedom to learn, to face all odds with strength of character and integrity, the freedom in short to live. Unfortunately, education in itself is lacking in our country, and it is not ensured to be the right of every citizen but the privilege of the rich.
I feel proud while supporting my family and receiving quality education from a renowned institute which once I could not even dream of. This is where Justuju came into being. Justuju means to quest, to yearn for something. I want to provide the support system to the underprivileged so that they have the same opportunity and they can thrive and reach new heights for their family, for their upcoming generations, and more importantly for Pakistan.
मेरा फेवरेट गेम है बैट बॉल. मैं बड़े होकर डेंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ ताकि मैं अपना ये टूटा हुआ दांत वापस ले आऊँ. बैट बॉल. मैं बड़ी होकर जर्नलिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ और फेमस लोगों का इंटरव्यू लेना चाहती हूँ. मैं बड़ा होकर रेसर बनना चाहता हूँ और मेरी फेवरेट कार है फरारी. फौजी. मैं बड़े होकर टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ. आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनने का बहुत शौक है. मेरी कंट्री में जितनी भी गंदी दीवारें हैं मैं उसे कलरफुल कर दूँगी. मैं बड़ा होकर फौजी बनूँगा. किस्म करके मारूँगा. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
मेरा एक बेटा है आलियान. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बने. मेरी बहुत ख्वाहिश है कि मैं जो अपने लिए जो चाहती थी, जो मैं खुद नहीं कर सकी, वो मेरा बेटा करे और अच्छी तालीम हासिल करे और बहुत आगे जाए.
The Justuju school, started in Azam Basti area of Karachi, sought to do two things: to provide poverty-stricken families with the opportunity to give to their children free of cost quality education, and to give them the confidence and literacy skills required to utilize the options open to them. However, this is not enough. We need to keep on moving and we need to keep on growing. Right now, we lack a space to even make a playground that restricts a lot of extracurricular activities at school. Moreover, it is heartbreaking for us to reject hundreds of applicants because of unavailability of space. Last year alone, 300 children applied to our school for admissions, yet only 50 were admitted because of limitations of the space.
While most NGOs come under the umbrella of community service, Justuju Welfare Organization is above all that. For me, it is all about community development. Every Justuju member understands what it's like to take up this social responsibility and work on making this community sustainable from within.
These children who come from homes with an average income of 200 rupees per day, which is less than $2, continue to fall deeper and deeper into the vicious cycle of poverty. For them, their school is a retreat from the harsh realities of everyday life. When humans work together, we can accomplish anything. Combined, we are an unstoppable force that can change the destiny of this world. And believing in this force, we are asking the entire world for their support in shaping the potential of Pakistan. One school at a time, one area at a time, we intend to eradicate the problem of education in this country. We are changing this already, and we will continue to strive for the education of children in Pakistan. We believe this is a fight for the most fundamental of human rights and a fight for all the children in this world. And with your help, we are confident we can win.